Firstly, a brief description about myself. I came to HKUST as a research postgraduate student in the year of 2016, and then I completed my MPhil and then my PhD in the Department of ECE. I'm also an awardee of the Hong Kong PhD Fellowship. I completed my bachelor's from India, and after that, I joined HKUST in 2016. However, there was a brief stint between me and HKUST in 2015 when I came here for a summer research internship. So, during that time of summer research internship, I had the opportunity to assist a lot of senior PhD students and learn the crux of research in our lab, how we use different material systems to make different kind of electronic devices and how to analyze a problem and all these things. And I also assisted in paper writing, and I had my first real first-hand research experience to say. It was also the same time, rather the last day of my internship, and this picture was taken just after that meeting when my Professor Jiong Fan from the EC department, he called me up and he said that he has an offer for me. And he said that, Deep, I'd like you to join my lab. So do you accept the offer? And for me, it was like, yeah, of course, I'm coming here to HKUST. I was so impressed by the research facilities in the lab and also the cooperation from my lab mates. I couldn't think of anything else. And the following year, I joined here as a RPG student. So this is our research group or team. Here you can see we are a huge group. There are more than 30 students, postdocs, PhDs, and MPhils. We preliminarily work with a material system which is known as the perovskite materials. And using this material, we in the intersecting domains of physics, chemistry, and electronics, we build novel electronic devices like computer memories, photodetectors, solar cells, LEDs, etc. My research particularly dealt with building of next generation computer memories and artificial intelligence hardware using this material system. And during my stay here in HKUST and having the facilities which are cutting edge and world class, I did have some small achievements which I want to share with every one of you. Firstly, in the year of 2017, I had the opportunity in the School of Engineering where I participated in the 3 minutes thesis competition and I won the first runner-up prize. After winning that, the School of Engineering sent me to the University of Queensland in Australia, where I had the chance of interacting with people from different research communities and learn about their presentations, and it was one of a kind experience. After 2017, the real movement actually came in the year of 2020 when our work on superhuman eye or bionic eye was published in Nature. It took us almost 3.5 years or 4 years to pull off this project, and ultimately we succeeded. Our research actually gained a lot of recognition. It was covered by international media as well, like the Sky News and the Fox News, and we were all gaga about it. Like, we were so happy. Apart from this research where I got published as a second author in a Nature paper, my own research finally got published in the year of 2021 when we built the world's fastest next generation computer memory using our perovskite material system, and we got published in back-to-back in 2 reputed journals. So this is a device that my professor is holding in his hand, and this is our team which actually pulled off that feat. Also, when I presented my research about computer memories in the European Material Research Society conference in 2022, that is earlier this year, I won the Best Paper Award over there, the Best Presenter Award over there. So all these feats that I could achieve is really, I attribute it to my supervisor for his continuous guidance and the cooperation from my lab mates and all the extremely useful and cutting-edge facilities that are here at HKUST to do the device fabrication and the material characterization and also the electrical characterization stuff. Besides research, HK is also a fun place to be. I have had my own share of fun too over here for the past 6 years, from 2016-15 to 2022. I have met friends from different cultures and backgrounds and ethnicities and had the chance of interacting with people from various stratas. And we went out for hiking and to restaurants and to dinners and whatnot. And Hong Kong being Asia's wall city, here you have amalgam of different genres of food as well. Me being a foodie, it's one of those most attractive features of Hong Kong that attracts me a lot. And at the same time, Hong Kong is famous for its picturesque sceneries, from hiking routes and hiking trails to pristine beaches and to the spectacular nightlife. Hong Kong has it all. And most importantly, our campus at HKUST, it's probably the most beautiful campus of the world for sure. If you come here, you will see for yourself. Before I end my sharing, a few important points to note for the prospective students, which I feel myself as an RPG student, I have learned over these past few years. So firstly, when you begin your applications, the first thing is that you need to approach a supervisor who might be interested in taking you in his or her group. So you need to make, I think, your emails very brief, because they receive volumes of email every day, and catchy. Make them like, there should be some keywords that, okay, that attracts the attention of the supervisor, so that he opens up your email, reads it, and then the next step happens. And once you are selected, then I think you should prepare very well for your PhD qualifying examination, because the PhD qualifying examination is a very important step between you getting admitted to HKUST and getting your PhD degree. So you prepare well, prepare in advance for your PhD qualifying examination. And during the RPG study, what I learned is that we have to be persistent and never give up. So I share my own story in brief over here. From the year 2016 to 2021, I didn't have my own first authored papers. At the same time, I was seeing my peers publishing their papers one by one, and I got nervous and scared, and all those things came to me. But what kept me going is that parallelly, although my paper was getting stuck in one submission, and then we kept on reviewing and revising, and the process kept on going, I parallelly kept doing the other projects. I didn't stop. And then when the first blog get opened and my first paper got published, the next few got published in a year. And finally, by 2022, I was ready to graduate. So I would say, like, always be persistent and never give up, because something is not working. The other things, if you keep working on them, ultimately, when that thing which was not working will work, the other things will also fall in place. And lastly, a very important point, which I feel as an RPG student, we have a lot of stress on us. Be it like peer pressure, or be it like your professional pressure, or something personal experience that you have felt which is bogging you down. Never be afraid or shy to take help. HKUST has got an excellent counseling and wellness center where the counselors are professional and they're very willing to help out the new students. So yeah, these 4 important points. Number 1, make your emails brief and catchy, prepare well for your PQE, be persistent and never give up, and don't be shy to take help if you need. And lastly, I hope to see some of you very soon on campus. So that's all from my side.